I'm going to just show you guys how to save the information in the form so that you don't have to fill it out every time. So we did have a session on LastPass, and if you look that up, it's LASTPASS, and that's the name of the company. So if you look that up, you can install the Chrome extension, and we have a session that goes through all of that. Once you've installed a Chrome extension, then if you're on a Chrome browser, which is, I'm on a Chrome browser here, you'll see this puzzle icon, and if you click on it, it will allow you to manage your extensions at the bottom here. When you click on manage your extensions, you can add LastPass as, you can pin LastPass to your doc. It might even show up here. When it's blue, you know it's pinned, and then it will show up whenever you're browsing the web. So I've already opened up a registration for Cyber Seniors upcoming session on December 1st. And you can see it automatically loaded the form for me. But if it didn't, and I typed in all of this information myself, my name, my email, you see that there's, it doesn't really care about the date of birth. But if you put in your approximate date of birth, you can open up the LastPass icon, click on add item. So it's the option that says add item with a plus. And then if you scroll down to the very bottom, there's an option that says save all entered data. And so what this is going to do is it's going to bring you to a page, and then that page will allow you to modify any of the fields here on this form, and you can save it. And so the next time you open up any website that has this format, us02web.zoom.us/meeting, then it will automatically fill in that information for you. So I clicked on save all enter data. You see the URL here. So this is the URL. So it'll look for something that's similar. And then you can save it, and it should automatically load all of the information for you. And I think there's advanced settings. So advanced settings allow you to disable the autofill. So if you want to fill it in manually, which I think is the opposite of what you want, so don't click this button. Then you can just click save, and then the next time that you go back to this website, it will automatically load for you. And if it doesn't load, you can always search for, you can change the name here to Cyber Seniors registration. And then when you're on the registration page, you can click on the LastPass icon, and at the top, you can search the vault for Cyber Seniors registration, and it will just bring up that form, and you can click it, and it will automatically fill it with the information that you filled in previously. Cyber Seniors has a privacy policy at the bottom of their website here, where they tell you exactly what they do with your personal information.